Hi, my name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel, Marillet's World. We're here at CBS for a new week of couponing. I am back home from my CBS trips. I go to different CBS stores to find the products I need for the scenarios I make. I shop for myself. I also shop for my sister using her account. It's very rewarding to be able to get stuff for your family for very low out of pocket. It benefits everybody. So for this video, I'm going to give you different scenarios for some similar spend deals depending on the available coupons on the account. This is L'Oreal Spend 30 Get 10 Extra Bucks deal. The moisturizer is $18.99. The wipes are $5.79 each, and I added some Arizona tea and fruit juice. This is my receipt for the Arizona drinks and L'Oreal facial products. I use paper and digital coupons. I rolled $10 extra bucks and paid $3.17. I got back $10 extra bucks for purchasing L'Oreal facial products, making my final cost at $3.17. It is a $34 savings. This is another scenario's first transaction. Irish Spring, Chic Razors, Neutrogena, and CoverGirl products. This is the CoverGirl Buy 2 Get $5 extra bucks deal. I purchased 2 CoverGirl Twin Brow Pencils. They are $5.99 each. The Irish Springs are 2 for $8. And then you get $3 extra bucks when you purchase 2. There's a limit of 3 on this deal, so you can do it 3 times on your account. The Chic non-disposable razors are buy 2 get $10 extra bucks. This Neutrogena bar is priced at $3.79. I have a $3 digital coupon, making this only 79 cents. This is my receipt for this transaction. I use paper coupons for the razors, body wash, and CoverGirl cosmetics. I use digital coupons for Neutrogena, the razor, and a store coupon $2 off an $8 purchase of body wash. I rolled $17 extra bucks. I got $18 extra bucks for the body wash, razors, and CoverGirl cosmetics, $13 of which I use on the next transaction, making the cost for this transaction at $8.08. This is the second transaction on this scenario. The Spend 30 Get 10 extra buck deal for L'Oreal. The L'Oreal Paris Moisturizer is $19.79. The facial wipes are $5.79 each. This is the receipt. I use paper coupons and digital coupons. There are $5 off $15 L'Oreal face coupons. I rolled $13 extra bucks from the previous transaction. However, I only needed $10.32. I should have only used the $10 extra bucks, but the register adjusted my $13 extra bucks down, So the subtotal is 0 plus tax. It is $3.22. I got back $10 extra bucks for doing the L'Oreal deal, making the cost for this transaction at $3.59. In this scenario, the final cost of these two transactions combined is $11.67. That's a savings of $71.85. Here's another scenario. First transaction, Arm & Hammer and Swab products. Arm & Hammer detergents are buy one get two free. I have a $1 internet printable coupon to match with this product. Swab professional hair care are 2 for $6. Purchase 2 and you get 2 extra bucks. The Swab body wash is on sale for $2.39. Neutrogena $3.79. I have some digital coupons to match with these products. This is my receipt. I had to return the NYX Cosmetics because they did not have the proper tag at the store. The cashier adjusted the transaction and I've been refunded a $3.49 plus a $5.13 extra bucks. I use paper coupons and manufacturing digital coupons. I also use a store coupon, $6 off $30 purchase. I rolled $10 extra bucks and paid $7.86. Remember, this will be adjusted for the refund of the NYX Cosmetics. I received the $2 extra bucks from the Swab hair care deal and use it on the next transaction. It makes the cost of this first transaction on this scenario at $7.24. Second transaction on this scenario. The Chic razors are buy 2 get 10 extra bucks. Here's the receipt. I used 2 paper coupons and a store digital coupons of $5 off $20 any shea products. I rolled 5 extra bucks and paid $4.64. Making these razors free plus a 36-cent money maker. The final cost of these two transactions combined in this scenario is $6.88 or 76 cents each. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and got some useful information on how to save money using coupons. Please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next deal.